What is up, YouTube? Welcome back to my channel. So I jumped the gun on you guys, and I already installed the hood bar and the C-pillar bar. I make videos, but I low-key couldn't wait to install them. So I went ahead and did that. As you guys can see, the hood bar looks pretty clean. And I also want to take advantage and just make a video on my car, history of the car, how much I got it for, what I've done so far to it. And I just want to give you guys a walkthrough around my car. Alright guys, so I got this car about, I want to say like maybe 8 months ago. And I got the car for $1,000. I'm gonna show some pictures. I think I only have 2 pictures of when I got the car, and those are the only 2 pictures I have. As soon as I got the car, took it home, started having issues right away. Long story short, I had to replace the engine. I think I mentioned this in one of my previous videos. I replaced the engine, and then the car's been good ever since, to be honest. I've done some small modifications, mostly cosmetic, but a few performance or whatever. I have a short ram intake. I have some DNA Sport headers from eBay. A lot of the stuff I got for this car is from eBay, hence the name Budget Fixes. You know, I don't have too much money to be dropping like name brand performance parts, so a lot of the parts that I get for this car come straight from eBay. So like I said, I have the short ram intake, the freaking DNA headers. I gutted my catalytic converter. I have a MagnaFlow performance muffler, and that's about it, to be honest, performance wise. I have a strut bar, that C-pillar bar in the back, and that's about it. I've also added that little rear window visor, and then the spoiler. I have a video on the spoiler if you guys want to check that out. I'll leave the link for it in the description. Yeah, I mean, let me show you guys the interior. Interior is pretty clean for this car. I got some prelude seats. I'm honestly, I love this interior. It's so freaking clean. I mean, for being like a old car, you know, the inside is pretty clean. Oh, here's a C-pillar bar. Looks pretty cool. Five-speed transmission. Yep. But yeah, guys, that's about it on this car. I mean, it ain't much, but it's mine, you know, and I'm kind of proud to have this car. It's not much, like I said, but you know, this car was the first car that got me into like actually working on cars and, you know, getting my hands dirty, and I'm really thankful for that. And yeah, guys, got big plans for this car. Stay tuned to my channel. Thanks for watching, guys. I'm gonna let you guys go with a little music video. Just gonna do some like weird angle shots and just put some cool music on it. But yeah, stay tuned, guys. Have plenty of videos coming soon.